In this video, I will introduce you to the procedure of pole mounting an outdoor AP using an angle fixed mounting bracket. Before installation, carefully read the precautions in this manual and prepare installation tools and protective gear. If the installation position is high, only professionals wearing protective gear can perform installation. Determine the installation position of the AP on the pole and use hose clamps to secure the base plate on the pole. Use an M6 inner hex torque screwdriver to loosen the screws on the hose clamps to open them. Lead the hose clamps through the square holes on the base plate and secure it to the pole. Tighten and close the hose clamps. Use an inner hex torque screwdriver to tighten the screws on the hose clamps. Use 4M4 multiplied by 14 hex socket screws to fasten the AP mounting bracket to the AP. Hang the AP with the AP mounting bracket to the base plate on the pole and tighten the screws to secure the AP. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.